Hello, I hope you are doing great. This is Shari. I am a UI and UX expert. I have more than 12 years of experience in this field. Today, I would like to share very important things of a landing page design. The necessary and fundamental basics which need to be covered in a landing page so that your landing page really stand out. Here, you can see I opened three landing pages, but three are same. This is a one landing page design, but three version. Actually, these are not three unique pages. These are one page, but in three different style. So if you see first design here, it's it have a clear, a message here, no problem. But rest of the details, it not that much clear, for the user. The icon is good, the button is good, the icon is nice, this is nice, but the details are, engage not that much engageable, but this looks really really nice. Then this section is good, this one also good, this is very good. Okay, nice. But the thing is, when you don't have a clear, perspective to, if you fail to build a clear perspective to your users, then you might lose them. So if you see second one, it's also pretty same. It have like button, details, everything. It's a 70% good website or good landing page design. It will cover 70% of your need, but still it's not that much clear which you need because there is no other button you can see across the page, and people can understand what is this in detail. So because there is no big details. So if I show you the third one here, you can see this is properly done. This layout is more clean, more neat and clean, more minimalistic, but this is more a little bit colorful, but it's really really engaging because when you see this button is actually clearly visible here. And then launching in Dubai is very, very specific where it's going to be launched, and so it's very specific. Then they have the message clearly, they have the input field, and then they have like an app and the details so that it we can understand that it's actually related to and an app, like mobile app. And then the features which we had previously have, but not this much details. So these are the details like interaction, instant correlation, inside access, expanding zone. So you can see all the details. About fan, you can see there is like another call to action which is very important for the landing page. And these are really engageable because it looks really nice, and then some details. So this message is nice, definitely nice, but this one is more nicer because here you can see how we work, how they. I would like to mention the journey and the inside of their work process. If you see, they actually web and app developers, established businesses, and experience scalability. So these are their, of like way of working. And then there's a learn more button. When someone click on learn more, they can get more insight about their work process and everything. So this is very clear. And again, here is another input field which we have here also, but this is also not bad, but this is also clearly, notify me and join the wait list. This is sounds more good, more good, like they will have a wait list. And then why people love using find some, features which is good, and the testimonial from the users which really make like it's credible, and people it's build belief, about this product. And then some more details about their, about their office or about their team or everything, which makes it more trustable and everything. And then footer have their, very important social media links so that people can follow them on social media, and they can see their activities. So I find this landing page is nice, not that much great. This one also I feel that there is like two three things is not going very well, like how we work, and the details is not going very well. But if it's like what we do, then this title will be what we do. This title is going very well with this content. So yeah, this is nice now. So, and some part like here I feel in this place the designer can add some more details, because these are random UI component. So I believe it's, if he bring some more details interesting way, it looks more nicer, you know like this. And this, so we need to add some like shadow here, so that this looks nice. Okay, so let me see, I think I have to add one by one. So effect shadow, let's see. Okay, it's just nice. Okay, and here also effects and shadow. Yeah, you see. So in this way, if he add, it will look like it's related to the app more, this app and screen. So I hope you will find this video is insightful. But if you feel that you have some comments and suggestion for me, please feel free to share with me.